Hello sports fans, as you can see, it's an unboxing video. Got this new Smith Wesson revolver that happens to be a Smith Wesson 44 Magnum 629. Look at all that 44 Magnum goodness. And just a fine piece of American steel. It's unloaded, of course, except for the little thing. But yeah, it's extremely nice. But I'm gonna make it way nicer. Trigger job, polish, different grips. The sights look to be dead on, just dead on. I really like the white outline, red ramp front sights. 6-inch barrel to really get the full power of the 44 Magnum, to really get it up. This is what I've got here as far as ammo, carry ammo. 240 grain, moving at 1,500 feet per second, about 11 or 1,200. If that'll focus, that's a big honking bullet. About 11 or 1,200 foot-pounds of energy, which is quite a bit. And got some extras that go with it. Pair of these Hogue grips. They're alright. Got some spare parts if I want to sort of turn it old school. I need to polish all this stuff up. Like, maybe put a different side plate on it with the an old side plate and an old looking thumb latch. I gotta polish those up. I've also got these Hogue grips, Don Coco Alves Hogue grips, and these I refinished. These combat gear grips, these Smith Wesson combat grips, which I'm about to put on right now to make it look a little bit better. Now, what you always want to have is the correct size screwdriver bit, and cradle it with your thumb so as not to mar the grips or the screw. You got to get it lined up just perfect. It's harder to do this on camera than not. And there we go. Those look so much better. Yeah. And always have the correct screwdriver bit. And yeah, I've also got, Smith & Wesson sent me some grips, some speed loaders. I mean, of course, the gun, the loading gate for the speed loaders. So I'll load those up. I'm going to do a trigger job on it. Put in a lighter mainspring, or hammer spring, I mean, and do a little bit to the sear. Just polish up the internal parts. But first, I'm going to take it apart and use Big Swole 58's method of reconditioning the metal, starting with 1,500 grit, 2,000, 3,000. This new gun, it doesn't need a whole lot, so there may be some others, mag and aluminum polish. But I will keep you guys updated. This is a hunk of a gun. Like, it's It's got some weight behind it. Soak up that recoil. But I will, made in the USA. I will keep you guys posted and updated. After I'm done, I will post a video. That's all I got. I'm out.